Hey guys, I'm out here today at a yard just a couple miles away from my place, and got the ms660 out here today. Finally got a proper chance with the warm weather and all to give it a proper test run. This is going to be the first felling and bucking job with this saw, and I got permission from the landowner, and we're going to be felling this tree here today. It's pretty much dead standing. There's a couple of live branches up top there, but really, like it's taken on some decent fire damage, and so either way, it doesn't have a whole lot of time. So we're gonna fell it and turn it into firewood. And this thing is about roughly 26 inches across at the stump. I'll measure it up once I fell the thing, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. I guess I should have gotten out of the way. That branch hit me in the face. That's not good. Well, that was a messy job, but that's also the first tree I felled with a saw this big. Look how rotten it is. Completely rotten inside. Yeah, that was a bit sketchy, but it worked. Gotta learn at some point, eh? Yeah, I hit me right in the face. I'm glad I didn't break my glasses. Ouch. Yeah, take a look at this ugly stump. Cutting trees like this is actually dangerous. See how rotten that is? And I cut through my hinge wood here a little bit, but that is actually an ugly stump. But I also don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just learning this stuff. Trial and error. Yeah, I could have made a run for it, and then I wouldn't have gotten that branch in the face. But I'm just fine. It didn't break my glasses, so that's the important part. That was interesting. I think my chain is dull too, which is weird because it's brand new. But whatever. Good. That was fun.